What is the only mammal capable of true, sustained flight? The answer is bats. The blobs of color you see when you close your eyes and press on them have what scientific name? The answer is phosphenes. A tardigrade can survive the vacuum of space by entering a state of suspended animation called what? The answer is cryptobiosis. What creature has 3 hearts, 9 brains, and blue blood? The answer is octopus. The Turritopsis dohrnii is a species of jellyfish that can revert its cells to an earlier stage, making it what? The answer is biologically immortal. What is the scientific term for the pleasant, earthy smell of rain on dry ground? The answer is petrichor. What is the only bird known to be capable of flying backwards? The answer is hummingbird. A group of which highly intelligent black birds is called a conspiracy? The answer is ravens. What is the long, technical term for a brain freeze, headache? The answer is sphenopalatine ganglion neuralgia. What carnivorous marsupial has the strongest bite force relative to its body size? The answer is Tasmanian devil. High pressure conditions on what ice giant planet are thought to cause it to rain diamonds? The answer is Neptune. Astronomers discovered a giant interstellar cloud of alcohol larger than our solar system named what? The answer is Sagittarius B2. What is the name of the largest known volcano in our solar system, located on Mars? The answer is Olympus Mons. Due to its extremely slow rotation, a single day on which planet is longer than its entire year. The answer is Venus. In 2017, astronomers detected the first known interstellar object passing through our solar system, naming it what? The answer is Oumuamua. The Sun's mass makes up what overwhelming percentage of the total mass of our entire solar system? The answer is 99.86%. What is the name for the massive, violent explosion of a dying star? The answer is supernova. What is the name of the boundary around a black hole beyond which nothing can escape? The answer is the event horizon. How long does it take for light from the Sun to reach Earth? The answer is 8 minutes and 20 seconds. The sound of 2 black holes colliding was first detected as ripples in space-time called what? The answer is gravitational waves. Water can exist as a solid, liquid, and gas all at the same time at what specific thermodynamic point? The answer is the triple point. What is the only metal that is a liquid at standard room temperature and pressure? The answer is mercury. The cracking sound of a whip is actually a tiny version of what phenomenon? The answer is a sonic boom. What is the name for the strange quantum phenomenon where linked particles instantly affect each other over any distance? The answer is quantum entanglement. Due to time dilation, an astronaut traveling near light speed would age at what rate compared to someone on Earth? The answer is slower. What is the hardest known natural substance on Earth? The answer is diamond. What is the name of the theoretical particles that are hypothesized to travel faster than light? The answer is tachyons. What element, when cooled to near absolute zero, becomes a frictionless superfluid that can climb walls? The answer is helium. What is the name of the aerodynamic effect that causes a spinning ball to curve in the air? The answer is the Magnus effect. The metal gallium has such a low melting point that it will turn to liquid if held in what? The answer is your hand. The length of Earth's day is slowly increasing due to the gravitational pull of what celestial body? The answer is the Moon. What is the name of the supercontinent that existed approximately 300 million years ago? The answer is Pangaea. What is the name for the rare and dramatic electrical discharges that can occur within a volcanic plume? The answer is volcanic lightning. Because it bulges at the equator, the technical term for the Earth's shape is what? The answer is an oblate spheroid. What body of water has a shoreline representing the lowest point of elevation on land on Earth? The answer is the Dead Sea shore. What is the common name for the massive, slow-moving rivers of ice that sculpt mountains and valleys? The answer is glaciers. The majority of the world's earthquakes and volcanoes occur along what tectonically active basin in the Pacific? The answer is the Ring of Fire. In Antarctica, a plume of saltwater tainted with iron oxide creates a gruesome-looking feature called what? The answer is blood falls. What is the German name for the gnarled, stunted trees that grow in harsh, windswept alpine conditions? The answer is Krummholz. What is the nickname for the single largest living organism on Earth, an armillaria fungus in Oregon? The answer is the humongous fungus. If laid end to end, the blood vessels in one adult human would circle the Earth's equator about how many times? The answer is 4 times. The hydrochloric acid in your stomach is strong enough to dissolve what common type of metal? The answer is stainless steel. What is the scientific term for the bristling of hairs on the skin, also known as goosebumps? The answer is pilorection. What part of the human eye has no blood supply and gets its oxygen directly from the air? The answer is the cornea. The average person produces enough saliva in their lifetime to completely fill what? The answer is 2 swimming pools. What powerful jaw muscle is considered the strongest muscle in the human body relative to its size? The answer is the masseter. The brain itself cannot feel pain because it completely lacks what type of sensory receptors? The answer is nociceptors. The small intestine in an average adult human is approximately how long? The answer is 22 feet. What is the name of the tiny muscle that attaches to the base of a hair follicle, causing it to stand up? The answer is erector pili. Humans share roughly 50% of their DNA with what common yellow fruit? The answer is bananas.